Since our beginning, we've had a vision to create a smart machine that can transfer CAD drawings into G code without the requirement of being skilled in CAM. This vision has finally come true in our IMM series machines. GF redefines machining. IMM 838 features 3-axis boxways for high mechanical rigidity and a CNC milling head featuring high torque at low RPMs. The GF Intelligent CNC system allows the operator to choose from either manual operation, conversational programming, DXF import, or G-code part programming. The machine is equipped with advanced network capabilities, including real-time monitoring, remote diagnosis, online training, and remote file management. The user interface can be customized, allowing the expansion of features and functions. The half enclosure shields the operator while enabling easy access for part inspection and handling. Operators can generate entire part programs with a few simple interactions using the touchscreen display. Heavy milling up to 10 mm pack depths offers far greater machining loads compared to traditional engraving and general milling machines. Heavy-duty cut of 6 mm in pack depth. GF CNC system has an advanced motion control that enables sharp and precise milling. IMM 850 features 3-axis boxways for high-temperature mechanical rigidity, a BT40 8000 RPM spindle capable of rigid tapping, and a 16-tool automatic tool changer. The GF Intelligent CNC system allows the operator to choose from either manual operation, conversational programming, DXF import, or G-code part programming. The half enclosure shields the operator while enabling easy access for part inspection and handling. Operators can generate entire part programs with a few simple interactions using a touchscreen display. GF innovation is in our genes, and our solutions makes machines more intelligent, more efficient, and more connected. Let us join hands in creating a better future.